Okay, this is IELTS speaking part 1. Let's start. What do you like, or which part of your country do you like the most?
Well, I most in the world I'm like country.
Which part of your country do you like the most?
So,
Part of your country.
part of country.
I love the northern area of my country very
Yeah.
much. Something like that. Come on.
Yes. I like northern areas in my country because a beautiful scenes are there. Is there?
All right, beautiful scenes are there,
Is there?
and a lot of people come to visit them.
Visit.
That is why northern area of my country is my most favorite. Be talkative. Answer in 5-6 sentences. Okay. Do tourists visit your country?
Yes. There. In every year, there are so many tourists come in
There are
our
so
country.
many tourists who come to my country.
Who come to my country for visit northern areas because our country is very
My country is very beautiful.
beautiful.
There are many beautiful mountain ranges, and people come to see the historical
See them.
places. Even you can talk about them.
Yes.
Okay. Would you like to visit any other country in the future?
Yes, I visit.
I would like to visit.
I would like to visit Canada because I see it in videos.
I've seen it in videos.
Videos, it is very beautiful
What
and
have you seen in the videos, huh? That you want to go to Canada? Siddha,
historical
straightforward. All right. The Canadian beauty. Yeah.
beauties.
All right. Landscape and all that. Okay. That's good. So try to be talkative. Your problem is आप थोड़े यूं हैं. Just try to be confident and try to express yourself. Answer every question in 4-5 sentences. Okay. Thank you so much.